Okay, well, so we are here in what we call what I call our pine grove, which is about 3 acres of nothing but pine trees. And I figured, what better place to lose your essence or kind of what makes you who you are than the woods. So thanks everybody for playing along with our little contest to see who could raise the most money for charity, and I would shave my beard if one charity got more than the others. And I got, to be honest, brigaded by one particular friend of mine who just wants to see me suffer, who will remain nameless, Adam A-hole. Anyway, he he and a couple of buddies got together and raised a bunch of money. To be fair, we did not hit quite that $1,000 that we were looking for, but we still raised some money for charity, and we thought it was really good. So appreciate everybody for doing that. And if you haven't subscribed or joined the channel or checked out some of the other stuff that we've done here, please do, and make sure to hit that like button. That would be really helpful to us. So I've got my lovely assistant, aka my wife, here holding the camera, and I also have the shaver because they did raise enough money to shave off my beard completely. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give her this. She's going to I have the opportunity to shave off half and then just kind of see, because I did warn you I have a very weak chin, and you're just gonna have to accept that that's a reality. So I appreciate everybody who did donate for the charity, and that was really great. They get all the money. Again, everything through GoFundMe goes straight to that charity. I don't touch any of it, which is kind of the cool part. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and do that. I do want to say I'll leave the links open for the charities if you want to donate, because it is tax season coming up, and it is tax deductible. So please do make sure you hit those buttons and donate to charity, because they go to some really good causes. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started.
I'm just gonna do a practice.
Okay, try not to get it in my jacket, but okay.
I'm just gonna go like.
Yep, careful though. Yeah, you gotta turn the thing on though.
And then like around this area.
No, no. Oh, we're hilarious, aren't we?
All right, I'm gonna do it. Oh God.
Here we go.
All right. Oh no.
I can feel it.
Oh no.
I'm feeling my humanity leaving me.
You're gonna be so cold.
My face is gonna be freezing.
Oh my God! Look at you.
Oh my God. Oh jeez.
Oh, here it goes. Ew.
Oh, the big one. That was a big one.
Oh, I missed it already. Oh no. Oh.
Make sure you get underneath too.
All right. You look 12. All right, I gotta do half the mustache.
Yeah, just half.
Oh no. Oh, you're just a baby.
So, big beard man from this side to, that's just creepy. It's weird. Nothing on this side. That's just weird.
You're just a baby.
All right, that is so, it's coming out and it's just coming out in clumps. Oh my, okay. I had to do it once. I just, you had this opportunity. Yeah. It's so
Look,
weird. Yeah, half mustache, beard on point anyway. Oh, it's gonna be so.
You're gonna be so cold.
Gotta be so cold. The woods too. Check it out. Oh boy. Okay. All right. You gotta finish it off, dear.
All right.
Finish the job. This is bad.
All right. Let's start. You want me here?
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh my gosh. You went from Santa to a 12-year-old.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
It's all gone.
I don't want to do it.
Oh, you gotta do it now, otherwise it looks weird.
No, I think you should. Here, just like half of a goatee.
Everybody's a comedian.
Ready? There's your chin.
Oh, I hate it already.
Oh, we should have a little ducktail. Right there.
No, let's not.
Oh, you're
Ah,
so young. Wait, gotta get rid of this.
there you go.
Yeah.
Well, there, it's all down there. It's all gone. All gone. Well, what do you think?
Me? I think you
Yeah.
are
Ugh.
just ready to grow it back.
I did told you I have a weak chin. Look at that. See, it's all weak and stuff. Look at it. It's tiny. Makes no. This makes no sense.
The perfect
Makes no
chin.
sense.
I don't know who you are anymore.
I
You
know,
look
it's
so
weird.
different.
I know, it's weird, right? Anyway,
Don't tell my husband.
thanks everybody. See ya.
Come on, buddy.
Come on. Duke. Come on.
Good boy. That's a boy.